Before I took on the task of reprogramming my own ABS system, I went first to the Motorcraft website, entered my VIN number and downloaded the necessary data for my car. This was just in case my data was corrupt. The link to this website will be put in the video description below. As you can see in the picture, the location of my ABS is difficult to get to. So before properly installing, I just hooked it up to the wiring loom of the car and attached my scan tool. I then booted up my scan tool and switched on the ignition. Due to this being the ABS system with the defect pressure sensor, I was greeted with a C1288 code. I proceeded to the configuration and programming menu by clicking on the associated button. Once in this menu, I clicked on the line that said ABS module configuration built as is. I then pressed play. It then asked me to check to make sure that my CAN switch was in the right position before asking me to verify the action that I was about to undertake. After a short while, a small pop-up appeared to inform me that the operation was successful. The screen now showed the data that was still stored in my old ABS module. The task now was to download, rename and save this data so that I could reload it onto the new ABS module. The task at hand now was to install the new ABS module and get to the point in the configuration and programming software so that I could take the data that I'd saved from my old module and reinstall it onto the new module. When this point in the procedure was reached, I clicked the Load All button and a window popped up with my saved file. I clicked the Save File and then the OK button, and the data was uploaded onto the module. After this, I then clicked the Write All button. The pop-up window on the screen then informed me that the blocks had been successfully programmed. After I'd done all this, the ABS module showed to have a configuration problem, so I went into the Service Procedure menu and reset the module using the ABS module reset procedure. So that is how I reprogrammed and reset my ABS module. If this information was helpful to you, please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel and look out for future content. Thank you.